Threats can be classified broadly into two types: environmental threats and man-made threats. Environmental threats. Environmental threats can be caused due to environmental conditions or natural disasters. In times of extreme temperatures, humidity, power failures, heavy downpour causing floods, etc., the environmental conditions pose a great threat to the information system in one way or the other. Apart from this, natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, tornadoes, or landslides pose a threat to an information system. Man-made threats. Human errors and weaknesses make up most of the man-made threats. An employee is the greatest asset as well as the most dangerous possible threat to an organization. The first category of man-made threats are caused by the employees. This is also known as an insider threat. This may be unintentional as well as intentional. An employee may unknowingly leave his PC unlocked while going for a break, which would pave the way for another disgruntled employee of the same organization to gain access to the system and steal data from the system. The former is an unintentional threat, while the latter falls under intentional threat. The second category of man-made threats are caused intentionally by people outside the organization, also called external human threats. A member outside the organization attacking the information system with a malicious intent is called a hacker. Intentional threats are caused by individuals with motivations that can be categorized as political, economic, and socio-cultural. Political motivations are aimed at destroying or taking control of the target system, posting irrelevant and controversial political statements. The people carrying out such activities are called hacktivists. Example: cyberterrorism. Economic motivations are aimed at earning money by stealing intellectual data and selling it to the organization's competitors, also called cyber espionage. Installing ransomware like CryptoLocker and encrypting the data on a target's machine and blackmailing the target to pay a ransom in order to get the decryption key. Personal motivations are aimed at satisfying the self out of a sense of curiosity or a desire to get publicity by causing psychological damage to the target via social networking sites. This is also called cyberstalking.